It is Cinco Donor Day here on the drill field, so let's make some noise for those who support Virginia Tech.
Cinco Donor Day is an opportunity for us to say thank you to all of the folks who have given back to make Virginia Tech the place that we love.
People get a nice little thank you note from students, faculty, to show how much we appreciate them donating money to Virginia Tech.
It's important to thank donors because they're really the backbone of our programs here.
It's nice because we say things that have impacted us through donations. So for me, I wrote about how I attended career fairs to do study abroad.
I'm a TA too, so be able to support the TA program, scholarships, which I've been able to benefit from. All those programs can't happen without our donors.
In addition, it's a good way of connecting with past VT alumni as a student and builds our own connection to the campus as well. I participate in Cinco Donor Day because I'm very appreciative of all of the people who have given gifts that make this campus so great.
Having been here for almost 3 full years, I've seen what this campus can do to people, and I've fallen in love with it, and so I would not have been able to have all of the wonderful experiences as a student if not for their generosity.
Thank you, donors.
Thank you for your generosity.
Thank you, donors, for all your support to help students like me and my friends so that we can have the best time here at Virginia Tech.